Good morning, Achieve. Hey, it is Monday, May 3rd, 2021. It's so good to be here today. As you can see right down here, testing begins today. Oh, yeah, we got this. Hey, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Hey, here's what I want to tell you today. For a lot of you, testing begins today. For the rest of you, it actually might begin tomorrow. We'll see. Here's what I want to tell you. You're so ready for this. I'm totally proud of you guys. The work that you've put in this year is amazing. The work that your teachers and aides have put in, you need to just look over at them for a second and say thank you because they've done a lot. Just thank them. We're also celebrating Teacher Appreciation and Staff Appreciation Week this week, and our staff has just killed it this year. And our students, you have just rocked everything that you've done. This has been an amazing year despite a whole bunch of really hard things. So I want to say this. I'm proud of you. You all have worked super, super hard. And now it's time. Take your time. Make us proud. Read all the questions, use all of your strategies, all that process of elimination that Braden told us about, and all of the breathing strategies and everything else. Use it all today. If you see something really interesting on the test, let me know, because I've actually learned a few cool facts over the years from this test. And you guys are going to rock this. Have a great day. I'm going to turn it over to you and your teachers, and you guys can chat about the test and whatever else you're doing. I do have, look back here behind me, a whole bunch of gum for you so you can have some of that during your test. I'll send that over to your classes. Have an awesome day, Achieve. Good luck.